Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add reviews on Wix website. So first of all, open your Wix website editor. On the top right corner and just beneath the search, the publish button, you will see a search button. Click on search and type testimonials. You will see an option called testimonial strips. You can click there, and from here you will be able to see testimonial strips. And there are a lot of options. You can choose, for example, there are templates which are pre-made. You can meet the team, our team, or if you can select this one, and then you can give any name. You can change the image of the people, you can give name to the people, and you can write your own text which can be referred as a review. So you can leave a positive review and add the name and the titles and change the pictures and just click on publish. And that's how you can add reviews on Wix website. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.